Alright, Assalamu alaikum everybody. So the winds are really starting to pick up here in Jersey right now. We have a windstorm alert going on. And I wanted to share with you a really cool dua that Sayyidina Muhammad used to say and when it gets windy like this. And basically it goes something like this. Allahumma inni as'aluka khayruha wa khayru ma fiha wa khayru ma ursilat bih wa a'udhu bika min sharriha wa sharru ma fiha wa sharru ma ursilat bih. And basically what this means is, oh Allah, I ask you for its goodness, the goodness within it and the goodness that it was sent with. And I seek refuge in you from its evil, the evil within it and the evil that it was sent with. Subhanallah, beautiful weather, great time for contemplation. Stay safe inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.